If your Snapchat is not working, then follow these steps.
Hi everyone, I'm Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started.
So, first of all, restart your device. And again, if it's not working, then check your internet connection. Again, if it's not working, then simply go to Play Store, search for Snapchat, and update it. Again, if it's not working, then go to Settings and search for Apps. Click on Snapchat, scroll down and click on Storage, and simply clear data and clear cache. Now your Snapchat might be working. If it's still not working, then simply uninstall and reinstall your Snapchat. Now it must definitely work. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.